All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're back for part two. What we're going to do today is look at the attendance rate, the daily attendance rate for each type of high school. It's going to take a little bit longer because there are more neighborhood high school. There's more neighborhood high school data to comb through. But just a quick recap: for citywide schools, we found out that the mode was 91% of daily attendance. The median was 89%, and the average for those citywide schools was 88.75%. Right off the bat, looking at the data for the neighborhood high schools. Okay, so what I do is it's this column, so the fifth column over. If you look, their attendance rates range from low 70s to high 80s, which that's interesting, right? So we need to take that into account, and what we actually have to do is we need to adjust our number lines. So the number lines go from 80 to 100. That doesn't work for us. So I changed the numbers on the top there from 70 to 90. So that'll just make it a little easier for us. And again, I'm just drawing X's for each of the data points. So Bartram High School 78. I put one at 78. Edison Skills Center is 73. 82. I'm not going to announce it anymore. I'm just going to go through and do it. Okay, so here is what my data plot looks like. All right, again, all I did was I went through this column and I just put X's for all the numbers. Okay, I'm now going to use this to calculate mean, median, and mode. So for the mode is the most. So looking at this data plot, 86% daily attendance was the most attendance. So that was the most, not the highest number that I saw. Actually, coincidentally, it is the highest number attendance that is on this plot. However, it is the number that appears the most. Okay. Another number that appears the most is 76%. So there's two numbers there. Okay. And I'm actually just going to Google this. What happens to the mode if two numbers have the same amount of data points? A set of numbers can have more than one mode. That is bimodal. So there are two modes. If there are multiple modes that occur with equal frequency and the more times than the other in the set. So that is the case here. So we have two modes. We have 86% and 76%. So we're going to keep both of them. Okay. The median. Okay. Remember, you're just cutting the data in half over and over again until you meet in the middle. All right. So I'm starting at the end. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. All right, and the median turns out to be 78%. And again, I just put my fingers on the numbers at the highest number and the lowest number and counted in until I got to the middle. My fingers met. and the mean. Okay, that's the average. It's going to take me a little bit longer to add these up. And make sure that you're counting the numbers. So like 76 appears 4 times. I need to put 76 in my data 4 times. Okay? So that's 70 plus 73 plus 75 plus 75 plus 75 plus 76 plus 76 plus 76 plus 76 4 times plus 77 plus 78 plus 78 plus 78 3 times plus 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 81 plus 81 plus 82 plus 83 plus 83, that's 2 times, plus 84 once, plus 86 plus 86 plus 86 plus 86, that's 4 times. And the number of data points I have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So divide that by 20. Divide that by 25. I get 82.44, the average daily attendance of neighborhood schools. Okay, we're going to talk about those numbers in a moment. Okay. All right, so what I would like you to do is I would like you to try and calculate the mode, median, and mean for special admission high schools and charter high schools. Where do I find that data? Special admission high schools are right here. You're using this data. Charter high schools, right here, you're using this data. Okay? So again, use your box plots, adjust the numbers that are on the bottom if you need to, and then we will come back and I will go over the numbers that you come up with and we will start to make some conclusions. Okay? Good luck.